हेलो एवरीवन, हैप्पी दिवाली इन एडवांस। आज हम क्या बनाने वाले हैं? लैंटर्न।
Are you all ready to make the lantern? Yes. Happy Diwali, everyone. I hope you all are preparing for Diwali. Okay, so let's start. We are going to make lantern and we will see what we require to make a lantern. First, this is the lace which we have. Then we have a scale, pencil, scissor, glue. Then we have craft papers, and then we have A4 size color papers. Okay, so are you all ready to learn how to make the lantern? Yes, so let's start. What we have done, we have taken the two A4 size papers and we have joined them from the middle. Can you see? We have joined it. Can you see it? Yes. We have joined this two A4 size color papers. Now what we are doing, now we are taking this craft papers. As you can see, this craft paper is square in size. Can you see it? Yes. Now we have to hold it like this and paste a glue. We have pasted the glue, and what we are doing now, we will be joining both the sides, both the opposite sides of the craft paper. And as you can see, the shape of this craft paper is made. Show them, Shubhangi ma'am, show them how it is. Yes. Can you see it? Is it visible? Yes. And same according to this, we have made many different shapes from this craft papers. Can you see it? Yes, we have made 6 shapes with the craft paper. Okay? Yes. So now let's begin. Now we have taken this craft paper जो कि हमने join किया था. अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम यहाँ पे एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं कॉर्नर्स पे, क्योंकि हमें ये अपोजिट साइड से स्टिक करना है. वी हैव टू स्टिक दिस पेपर. ओके, सो वी आर मेकिंग अ स्मॉल बॉर्डर ऑन दिस साइड एंड दिस साइड. नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू पेस्ट दिस shapes which we have made so that it becomes easy to paste it, to fold it. Okay, can you see this? Yes. Now what we are doing, we are applying a little bit of glue and we are pasting the shape above the sheet. हमें सेंटर में रखना है और फिर पेस्ट करना है. हमने कैसे पेस्ट किया है, इस पे इसके नीचे ग्लू लगाया और नीचे इस साइड पे हमने ग्लू पेस्ट किया ताकि वो अच्छे से स्टिक हो जाए. नाउ वी टुक द अनदर कलर. You can take any color which you like. You can use any color which you like. As you can see, we are pasting all the colors, all the shapes which we have made like this. As you can see, we have pasted all the shapes on the paper. Okay, can you see it? Yes. We have pasted all the beautiful colors, all the shape which we have made out of craft paper. We have pasted it on that A4 size attached paper. Now what we are going to do? We are going to fold this now. Now see how we are going to fold it. Yes. This is how we are going to fold it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yes. Now what we have done, we have taken both the ends of the chart paper and we have stick together. Can you see this? Yes. And now what we are going to do to cover this space, we will be putting this. Yes. Isn't it looking beautiful? Yes. So as you can see, the basic structure of a lantern is ready. See, isn't it looking beautiful? Yes. So now let's stick the lace. Yes. Now just take this kind of lace and paste it around this down portion of the lantern. Can you see it? Yes. We have to paste this below the lantern. We have pasted our laces like this. Okay? Yes. Now what we are going to do, we have taken this gelatin paper which is red in color, and what we are going to do it, we will be folding it into half. We have folded this gelatin paper into half. We have left this one portion because we have to stick this down. Okay, that's why we have folded this paper till here. We have left this much space to stick. Now we will be cutting the strips. We have taken the scissor and we will cut the gelatin paper. As you can see, we have to cut thin strips of that gelatin paper till here, till the point where we have folded this gelatin paper, and continuously we will be cutting it till the end. Okay? Now our gelatin paper is ready. Yes. Now what we have to do, we have to paste this gelatin paper on this lantern like this. As you can see, we have pasted this gelatin paper all around the lantern. And as you can see, this lantern is looking beautiful, right? Yes, see, the gelatin paper is looking so nice. Now we will be sticking this strip over this place. If you have any different kind of lace, you can stick the lace, or if you have such kind of color paper, you can use this color paper also. So you can use anything to cover the upper portion of the lantern. As you can see, we have pasted this yellow strip on the lantern, and you can see our beautiful lantern is ready. Can you see it? Yes. Now we will be making the holder of the lantern. Now we are making the strip of holder of the lantern. We have taken this beautiful golden lace to make the handle holder, and we are sticking it with the stapler.
You can use glue also.
Yes, you can use glue also. Yes, as you can see, our beautiful lantern is ready. We are all set for the Diwali. So make such kind of beautiful lanterns for your houses, and this is your Diwali activity. For that you have to make such kind of beautiful lanterns. You can make small lanterns, you can make big lanterns, you can make anything. Okay?
Decorate your house also.
Yes, bye. Happy Diwali. Take care.
Bye bye.